What in the world is happening to Tesla stock? It's up 40%, almost 40% in the last 5 trading days because they announced a stock split. That's it. That's it. I'll tell you what it means coming up. My name is Mike Bernard. I am the host of the Wise Money Show. I'm also one of the certified financial planners right here at Korhorn Financial Group. Welcome to this channel. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and smash that thumbs up button. Tesla stock is going absolutely parabolic. So here's the question. If I have $1 and I give you $1 and you give me 4 quarters, do I now have more money? Right? Okay, so I have $1. I give it to you, you give me 4 quarters. Now I have 4 quarters instead of $1. Do I now have more money? No, that's a stupid question. That's a ridiculous question. That is what a stock split means. Tesla announced they were going to do a 5-for-1 stock split, which means for every 1 share of Tesla that you have, they're going to, on August 31st, they're going to give you 5 shares. And the value of those shares will be equal to 1/5 of what 1 share used to be worth. Okay, so it's an even Steven transaction. There's no value created from this. It is just pure math. Okay, and yet what happened to the stock? The stock surged 13% the day they announced that stock split. The next day it surged 4%. Then it surged another 2%. Then it was up 11%. Again, guys, that's nearly 40% increase in 5 trading days since they announced a stock split, which again, mathematically, value added means nothing. How is their stock up 40% just because they said, all right, if you have $1, turn it in, we'll give you 4 quarters? That makes 0 sense. Now, I've picked on Tesla before. This is actually about how stock splits actually work, so I'm going to get there, but I got to keep picking on Tesla. And I can because, listen, if you've held a bunch of Tesla stock, you are winning. You are winning. So I'm going to pick on you because it is absolutely ridiculous. If you look at the trading volume, there's been about 7 million shares traded, Tesla shares traded every single day. All right. As soon as they announced the stock split, it spiked almost 3 times. 21 million shares are now being traded. And you might say, well, that's because of the stock split, right? Now there's more shares out there. No, the stock split doesn't happen until the end of August. So just that announcement has created this trading frenzy. The value of Tesla, the company, is now worth $342 billion with a B. $342 billion. Toyota is only worth $189 billion. Tesla has absolutely dwarfed Toyota. All right, well, let's go. Maybe that's justified. In 2019, Tesla sold 367,000 cars. That's a lot of vehicles. Toyota sold almost 11 million in 2019. That's different. As of the end of 2019, Tesla had less than 900,000 total cars on the road. Again, Toyota sold almost 11 million in 1 year. 2019 wasn't even their highest year. And so then you'd look and say, well, but Tesla has huge prospects, and so of course its stock is going crazy. It's trading at 900 times earning. It's 900 times earnings. Toyota is trading at 9 times earning, and Toyota is offering a 3% dividend. Oh my goodness. So here's the thing. If you owned 100 shares of Tesla stock and you bought a couple years ago, you have made a significant amount of money. So it's easy for me to tease. I tease and jest. I'm not bashing the company and I'm not bashing the investors. I'm just saying the stock has outrun fundamentals. And even since the stock split, it has outrun rationality. There is no rational or logical reason why you announce a stock split and all of a sudden the value of the company surges 40%. That just doesn't make sense. So what do you do? Guys, as what happened with Apple when they announced their split, and now what we're seeing with Tesla, I just want to remind you, a stock split does not create any value for the company. It makes each share of stock worth a little bit less. I hesitated there. It's not worthless. Worth a little bit, valued a little bit lower, but the overall value of the company does not change. It does not change. It is truly like exchanging $1 for 4 quarters. That's it. All right. But yet, in this market environment, in this climate where risk is on, where tech is everything, we've heard that before, all it takes is one of these big companies that has a big brand, a lot of attractive followers, making this announcement, and it's just going to surge. And so to me, this underscores the overall risk in this marketplace, especially with companies like Tesla. Do you buy in at this price? Guys, I'd be very, very reluctant to. Of course, you know, there's disclosures and all over this. I don't give advice on this channel, just giving perspective. But it would be hard to jump on now and say, well, that's a good buy. That's a good value. It very well may be. And I don't know, because I don't know the future, neither does anyone else. However, to jump on the bandwagon after a 40% surge simply because of a stock split, that would take some guts to do that. Hopefully it does continue to surge. I think if the market environment that we're seeing today continues, where, hey, risk on and anything tech is good, today's profits don't matter, future prospects is what matters. Tesla very well might really continue to outperform, but as of right now, fundamentals, you look at a company like Toyota, very low price to earnings ratio, strong dividend, strong sales, strong brand, you'd say, my goodness. Just last time I talked about Tesla on the channel, Tesla had just barely, as a market cap, become worth more than Toyota. And now they're almost double the value of Toyota. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So what do? Well, if you got play money and you want to jump on Tesla or jump on Apple or Amazon or something fun like that, that's fine. I mean, I do it. I've got a little bit of play money that I dabble in individual stocks with and just play a little bit. That's fine. But your long-term dollars, the core of your investing approach, unless you're gambling with your investments, and if you gambled in Tesla, you could have made a lot of money. But you could also lose a lot of money, right? But for your core investment approach, for your nest egg, it needs to be diversified so that if Tesla's surging, well, you own it. But if Tesla tanks, well, you own very little, right? So they're diversified. You're diversified by holding the indexes and a diversified mix of them. You own everything. So yeah, you own Tesla, you own Apple, you own all that stuff. But when it tanks, it's not going to completely erode your entire portfolio. So have a diversified approach that makes sense for your risk tolerance and your long-term financial plan, and then complement that with a momentum strategy. Our momentum strategy has a ton of Tesla. It does. And if things start to turn, if the tide starts to turn, hopefully it will pivot very quickly and get into something else if those shares start to go down. So have a diversified mix and have a momentum strategy that can trade very quickly. That is all in tech for us. It's all in growth. So it's very much in Tesla and Apple and these companies that have absolutely surged, but we'll be able to quickly rotate if that momentum starts to shift. So that's the type of approach that I'd recommend. You want to play with Tesla, have fun. Like I said, I do a little bit, not with Tesla in particular, but playing with individual stocks, that's great. But as far as your core holdings, I would watch out. The Tesla stock split, 5-to-1 stock split, it's going to take place at the end of August, same time as Apple. Apple's is 4-to-1. That does nothing to add value to the actual company. Yet somehow in this case with Tesla, it surged 40%. Doesn't make any sense to me. So, all right, reach out to your certified financial planner. Make sure you're taking the right investment approach for your long-term financial goals. You don't have a CFP in your life, contact us at Korhorn Financial Group. Find us online, korhorn.com. That's Korhorn with a K. You can also find us online at the wisemoneyshow.com, or you can give us a call, 574-247-5898. All right, there you have it. Go out and take your next wise step in your financial life.